Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe, it is -26 again. We are having cold spell that isn't going away here in BC northern BC, Canada. We are from the north, so it's always cold. Anyways, for today's recipe, this is basically what have you soup. You just drop in everything you have in the fridge or in the pantry into the soup, and it becomes delicious soup. Because you have to adjust the flavor into your liking. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So bring about 2 cups of water to boil, and then we're gonna drop in all the other ingredients. It's boiling, add in 1 tin of sweet corn and 1 tin of cream of mushroom. I'll bring back to boil again before we add the other ingredients. While slice 4 jumbo all beef wieners. Once it started to boil, drop in the sliced wieners. In half cup of cooked pasta, half cup to 1 cup of cooked pasta. 1 tin of boiled quail eggs, and add in a bunch of spinach, about 1 tablespoon or 2 of diced onion, 1 handful of fried garlic, and vegetable rice to taste. Followed with celery salt to taste. And we're gonna mix it again. Freshly cracked black pepper, and your soup is ready to be served. I like using white pepper sometimes, ground, but black pepper works as well.